Still going. Oh, there goes another one. Oh, the P50. I think that's the one on Silver Spring. Oh, yep. There's some more. So many cool different sirens. I heard P50. I hear the one down at the CT-128. Yeah, that's a P50. I think that there's a P50 somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. It's coming from this way, so I assume it's down this way. I just can't. I think Silver Spring. It's the one in Silver. Yeah, that's definitely a P50. I don't hear the one. There's another one in the distance. Yeah, I think that's it.